future scholars and academics. Today we're going to talk about a topic that is essential for success in graduate school: time management and productivity. Now we're going to explore practical strategies and valuable insights to help and guide you to make the most of your time and achieve your academic goals. Let's start with defining time management and planning. Well, time management is the process of planning, is a process of organizing and prioritizing tasks to make the most efficient use of your time. Now, in graduate school where demands are high and your time is very essential and critical, the demand of your time are very, very important. And deadlines are looming, so effective time management is critical for staying on top of your coursework. It's critical for keeping track with your research projects and other responsibilities that you do have as a graduate student. Now, you have a mountain of readings to tackle, a research proposal to write, for example. You have a presentation to prepare, you have conferences to present and prepare for, and you have a lot of tasks, and all these tasks are time consuming. And while you're trying to juggle, of course, things like, let's say, teaching assistant duties, if you're teaching a class, for example, there are personal commitments that you could have as well. So now it's enough to make, even the most organized student feel overwhelmed, right? So, but one thing I would tell you is do not be afraid of this type of situation. With the right time management strategies, you can conquer any challenge that comes your way. Now, the first step in effective time management is setting clear, achievable goals. Now, you want to take some time to reflect on your academic and personal objective, and then you want to break them down into smaller bits and pieces, which I kind of want to tag manageable tasks. Now, whether it's completing a research paper, for example, or studying for exam or attending academic conferences, having specific goals will help you stay focused and will help you stay motivated. Now, let's just explore some practical tips for managing your time effectively. Now, the first tip is to prioritize tasks based on urgency and importance. Now, the second tip I'm going to tell you is to break larger tasks into smaller, more manageable chunks, so smaller bits and pieces. Now, the third thing is to use tools like calendars, to-do lists. You can use even apps to organize your schedule. And the fourth thing to do is to set deadlines for yourself to stay on track. Now, you want to allocate time for both academic work and self-care activities. You need time for yourself, right? And you want to learn to say no to non-essential commitments, right? No is no. You want to take regular breaks to recharge and avoid burnout. Burnout is a point you do not want to get to. Just imagine you have a major research paper due at the end of the semester. Instead of waiting until the last minute to start writing, you break the task down into smaller milestones, researching, outlining, drafting, revising, and you want to set deadlines for each of these stages. Now, by tackling a little bit of each day, you're able to complete the paper well ahead of schedule and even have time for revisions. Now, in addition to effective time management, boosting productivity is critical for making the most of your time in graduate school. And here's some of the tips to help you maximize your productivity. Now, the first thing is to identify your most productive hours and schedule your most challenging tasks during this time. Now, the next thing I'm going to tell you is minimize your distractions by creating a dedicated study space free from noise and interruptions, just like I do have here, right? The third thing is break tasks into smaller bits. So you want to focus on things that are important, and those focus sessions, you want to have them just to maintain concentration, and you want to have focus sections to avoid burnout. Now, you want to practice mindfulness techniques such as deep breathing, meditating. You want to stay focused and calm at all times. Now, you want to use technology to your advantage here as well, leveraging tools like project management apps, note-taking softwares, and productivity trackers to streamline your workflow. Now, again, before we conclude, I want to remind you that mastering time management and productivity takes practice and dedication. And for a comprehensive course and resources to help you enhance your time management skills and boost productivity, I do invite you to explore the course product available on Graduate Excel. Our expertly curated courses cover everything from time management techniques to productivity hacks, ensuring you're well equipped to strive in graduate school and beyond. Well, my fellow scholars, that concludes our exploration of time management and productivity tips for graduate students. I hope you found this episode informative and inspiring. Now, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends, family, and loved ones. Until next time, stay organized, stay focused, and never stop striving for excellence. This is Professor Ufodike signing off. Take care and see you in the next episode of Professor Ufodike Unplugged. Thank you.